Why is my multi-wire saw cutting slower than others?
The truth is, the gap isn't the machine itself, but how it's maintained and operated. First, check for hidden wear. Worn guide wheels or unstable tension will directly drop your efficiency. Second, avoid the speed trap. When output drops, many operators rush to increase the feed speed, but pushing too fast causes overheating and wire wear, leading to frequent breakage. True efficiency doesn't mean rushing the machine. It's about balancing your parameters, equipment status, and wire specs. That's how you get both speed and stability.
Are you tired of wavy surfaces, chipping, or uneven thickness on your slabs?
Many blame the machine, but it's usually a process issue. Poor wire condition, tension spikes, loose blocks, or unstable slur. Any of these will ruin your surface. Chipping, for example, is often caused by excessive tension or exiting the cut too fast. To boost your yield, the golden rule is stability over speed. When every step is stable, high quality comes naturally.
Why is your cutting wire wearing out so fast?
Excessive wire wear isn't just natural usage. It's usually caused by wrong tension, poor cooling, or bad parameters. Remember, wire breakage is your biggest hidden cost, ruining both steel and production time. So stop looking at the price per kilo. Focus on the cost per square meter. Divide your wire weight by the cutting area to find your true cost and optimize from there. Boosting speed doesn't mean blindly rushing the feed rate. Improving quality shouldn't rely on guesswork alone. And cutting costs isn't just about squeezing the wire price. It all comes down to one core rule. Use stable process control and smart data management to unlock the true efficiency of your machine.